Roamless Esim review. I'm going to give you a Roamless Esim review. Roamless is a global eSIM service that lets you connect to mobile data without using a physical SIM, perfect for travelers. It works in over 160 countries. All you do is install the eSIM, pick a plan in the app, and you're online. No swapping SIMs, no need to visit a store. Setup is quick, and the app is clean and easy to navigate. They offer flexible pay as you go plans and even free roaming in certain countries. Speeds are generally solid, but they depend on the partner network in the area. On the downside, customer service can be slow, and some users report activation issues, especially on specific Android phones. Also, prices aren't always as cheap as buying a local SIM. But for short term travelers or digital nomads who want a hassle free way to stay connected, Roamless offers a practical solution.